Hi, this is a small presentation for the students that really love music but not that much mathematics. Did you guys ever think that actually functions can sing? Yes, they can, and I am trying to show you how. We will be talking about trigonometric function f of x is equal a times sine of kx. This function has two parameters that operate it, which is the amplitude and frequency. So let's see how it works. So far we don't hear any sounds, no wonder, because lazy, zero, amplitude and zero frequency don't produce much of a sound. But let's try a little bit with the frequency. Something can be heard. Okay, let's give it some volume. Whoa, that seemed to be very loud. Let's go a little bit lower. So, who is in charge of the pitch? What do you think? Seems like this is a frequency. Frequency can be very annoying and very nice. Who is in charge of volume? Oh, it's definitely amplitude. So every time you play your piano or your guitar, don't forget about trigonometric functions and their properties. Listen a little bit more, and thank you.